Hey guys, this is what I spend a day as an international student living in China. So I pay a monthly subscription to be able to use these bikes, which are almost everywhere. So it's 20 kwai a month, which brings us to almost free every day using girl math. And for breakfast, I got a muffin from Starbucks, which was 18 kwai. And for lunch, I got this food, which was 19 kwai. And later on in the evening, we went into the city using the metro, and I used my student card to pay for this, which is half price. So I paid 2 kwai 2 and another 2 kwai when I was coming back. We went into Zara, and I think we checked out H&M as well and got some fits for Leo. He cleared his bill. So there are basically two payment softwares in China, WeChat and Alipay, and personally I prefer to use Alipay. It's just more user-friendly, more aesthetically pleasing, and it sort of breaks down your expenses for you, so you have a better idea of what that is. So anyway, after that we went and had dinner. We had sushi, which was 42 kwai, bringing our grand total down to 83 kwai